Hello. Down to brass tacks. We, and who is we? It's me. It's me, man. Just get out of there. Fucking guy. Alright. I know I got it. I know I have it. Mm. Fucking right there. Boom, boom, boom. That's me. It's me, me. Moi. Moi. Can we play that without? Yeah, I can hear it. It's good, it's good, it's good. Cursor. I have this project with a very big pull request at the moment. Isn't there a GitHub link? Oh, no, not here. With black curtains at the station. Nope. Psh, I don't even have a link to it. Very lame. Oh, I do. Oh, yeah, I can disappear that name over here. It's me, I'm Mario. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this is visible. Okay, go forms, pull requests. Oh yeah, I forgot this was running earlier and I did not. Did not. Log entries created with that. Oh yes, it was that. Interesting, but that's not what I want to look at. It's this featured Postgres. So, a feller or felly or fell person filed this issue saying, I've been searching for a form service in Go. Is there any possibility of supporting Postgres as a database for this? So yesterday I set cursor to the task, um, which resulted in this fucking monstrosity. CNB. Oh, is that the person? I it is. So yeah, someone's interested in using it, and it's almost there. I think, like as an MVP. Um, once I get this fucking thing merged in, but I was very interested in getting the auto review by Bugbot, and I guess it was like, go fuck yourself. I'm not reviewing shit because it didn't do anything. Let's try again. Bugbot. Run! Run, old boy. Run. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see. Back to these. Oh, that's the live version. That's not the version at all. That's my website. And then here we have something going on. I can't remember what I said. Oh, yes. A couple things. I was doing a couple things. The logging was getting cut off, and then we cleaned up a little bit, and cleaned up a little bit, little bit. We have some debug logs. So yeah, we had no debug logs, like specifically these logs. Um, they got chopped up somehow, and then we fixed that. So I'm gonna just do one of those. Fucking, I don't even look at them anymore. Just go ahead. I don't go fuck. It's just me. Um, from here, from here, right? We're doing the Postgres support. Oh, I got fucking a lot of 26 commits. A lot of graph green for you there. Grid cube, green graph or whatever activity. Um, so that's up. Let's look at this thing. Not this, not you. This the pull request that just got another 26 commits up to 87. It's crazy. 102 files changed. Like, god damn. Some of them are cursor rules. And if you're not familiar, cursor, they have for a long time supported rules in the form of a dot cursor rules file, but now they've expanded it into multiple files in a dot cursor slash rules directory. Let's show this. And it opens a little interface. The way I let cursor go at it is to jab it in my ear right now. So yeah, different a bunch of different files now, and a few different ways to provide the rules to cursor. It's a challenge keeping the context neat and tidy and just uh, a reasonable size to begin with. So some of these are auto attached, like as in I'd actually didn't mean like that. Some of them are just always attached, like the architecture, I believe. Always, yeah. So every every fucking prompt I pop in over there, this gets attached, and it covers our architecture, our core architecture, infrastructure, application, and domain. You can see directly as a file system structure right here in internal infrastructure, domain, application, uh, domain. I said that already. Interface there. That's a lie. We don't have no interface there. Um, yeah, so yeah, like I said, they get out of date pretty quick. You gotta keep on them. I'm not even gonna put the mental effort into evaluating all these right now. But if you let them get way out of hand, then obviously they're gonna fuck with your project because it's gonna be just thinking it's structured one way and it's not. Back back to the show. Um, Bunch of those fucking cursor rules. We got some dev container stuff. Oh yeah, I added the Postgres container. This stuff obviously has to be cleaned up some. Like, no reason obviously to have two databases running in development at the same time. But whatever, I'm not concerned about that at the moment. My Golang CI lint. I have no idea if this is bananas or not, but I have a pretty comprehensive set of linting rules, which I find is almost necessary to, keep, well, of course, to keep consistent, clean code, but I mean, to keep the AI in check because it will get out of hand very quickly, and you'll have all kinds of different conventions and whatnot. Uh, I've taken to using GoTask, which is a task runner written in Go. Doi. It's cool. My main refactored this today. Trying to. I still got to give it another pass, always, but make today I was making sure the main the main function in general. The main function was doing like the orchestration of the app, so it's not all buried um, in in I didn't mention the DI yet, but in the dependency injection system, which is I'm using UberFX. Um, I think I've tried Dig, or no, whatever Google's is. Um, I can't remember, but it's a different experience excuse me, altogether, as it's like at build time that um fuck, I don't even know how to explain it. I think I don't know if now that I'm thinking on a little bit, I don't know if I had to use build tags or that's just the way it works, but um so it'll include different files right then and there for your different architectures, whereas UberFX doesn't quite work that way. I could be wrong, but that's all I'm gonna say about that because I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Fucking ODB, man. Can't hear it, but it's awesome. Okay, we got our internal, but skip over that for 1 second. I rearranged the migrations because they obviously was just MariaDB before this. I don't even know if I'm gonna even bother keeping MariaDB or just let Postgres rock. But I'm using Gorm, which is an ORM. Um, what's it called? Cursor seems comfortable with it, and now you can also index the different websites or documentation. Like if I go at docs, um, well, I added all these. Yes, Echo, Svelte Kit, Viper, Cobra, Task File, UberFX, UberZap, um, Temple, blah blah blah. But anyway, so whenever I remember, and I'm working with. Actually, I can probably put these right in the file. The rules to say, like, when I'm working with the logging system, always include links to the latest documentation. Because, yeah, it's pretty important because the fucking a lot changes in a year or however long the knowledge gap is between the LLMs and now. But it gets fucking annoying anyway. And this is a nice. It is what it is, but it's a cool enough workaround or fix or whatever you call it. Something is not right. Too nice a night that we got the truck. Shadrach. Mm, 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 mm. Right. I was just going through this fucking thing, wasn't I? This PR kind of. So yes, migrations for Postgres and excuse me, and MariaDB. The MariaDB, for all I know, are out of date right now. And like I said, I don't even know if I'm going to keep it. I don't feel compelled to. If, I don't know. We have our front end code mixed right in over here. Oh, fuck this interface. I'll use the actual cursor over here. So blah 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 blah. There's a whole bunch of fucking code in the internal directory. Command go forms main is the fucking main. The rest are the modern fucking tool chain and whatnot, except for like uh, like sources the front end stuff. Should probably be in a front end directory or something. I don't know. CSS. I gotta review all this stuff too, but the idea is to, of course, use all the latest modern features of CSS, like the layers. Those are pretty awesome. Um, of course, they're not called variables, but custom properties, I believe. Um, these are, you know, day one. Should have been there day one, because they're awesome. They're just it, we never be able to go backwards with the custom properties. Trying to remember the other ones, like not media. Is it media query? Container queries. Container queries. Um, it wasn't super fun getting like all the CSS. Not like so like say with my personal website built on SvelteKit, it's single file components. Um, I've gotten used to working with that quite a bit, especially with like even with Vue and Laravel, inertia. And it's just night and day. Writing your CSS, writing your components, being scoped right there, whatnot, and then going back to a CSS directory where you have a bunch like fucking 30 files, all for code, HTML markup, whatever that's in, God knows where, or being produced from JavaScript, blah blah blah. It's quite the adjustment anyway. It's challenging. It's fucking challenging, and I guarantee you, half this is garbo. There's a lot. See what I mean though? Like Cursor AI, like especially if the context gets dirty and then all of a sudden it just starts freaking out if you don't catch it and like reject changes. Like it's a big mess. Hence the branches as well. Like I mean, working on features is hard enough manually, and I would always use fucking branches anyway. Most of the time. Most of the time. We got CTAS, all the TypeScript shit, Byte and Air, which is a Golang fucking file watcher. Not even Golang, I don't think. Maybe it is. Um, but yeah, it'll like reload your servers. Not hot module replacement, like fucking whatever it's called. Live reload. And then Vite doing the same thing for the front end. I have it running. Like boom, boom. Like I said, I have a task uh, clear. So we type task. You got. It's gonna run it's running the default task. I thought it was gonna spit out the usage or the available commands. So it looks like it's a building. I could cancel it, of course, but I'm just curious. It's taking a while too. Doing all the front end shit. Fucking chewing through like 20,000 node modules. And we Margaret up does not exist. Yeah, that's right, because we got fucking PG up and shit now. Let's control P, task, file, migrate. No, I just wanted the not front, root task file. This song's awesome. Bohemian like you. There. Bohemian like you. Migrate. Migrate. Oh yeah, something was trying to run up. Up. There it is. So that would be now PG up for the moment. And if we were to redo that debacle, should be fine and run a binary. I think it'll compile it, build it, and then run the binary. Whoop, 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 whoop. Actually, the air, not TOML, whatever, TOML. If we open that up, it tells it where to build it, the temporary binary, I think. Oh, I failed to open database. I know driver Postgres forgotten import. What you mean? What's going on? That was the back end running in that terminal. This one's doing nothing. This one's gonna get closed. And let's start fresh because I think the front end task is not exiting through. I gotta debug that later. Task migrate PG down dash O no go. Where are we, man? Where are we? Let's see. Docker PS 8080. Oh, I'm looking for the names. Go form is ever contained at MariaDB. There's the Postgres up 21 hours. Healthy. What gives? Okay, we're going to run the backend dev. Dev is the namespace. And then backend. Wrong one. Up arrow. No history. Oh yeah, worked. No problem there. So the other one is for fucking later. So we got a nice, kind of clean startup with UberFX doing its dependency injection magic, creating us a nice container with all our dependencies, sets up our handlers for echo. Theoretically started the server somewhere. It says running right there. Like, well, that's just FX though. Server started successfully. I don't even trust where it's logging that shit, but whatever. It's running, I bet. And start the front end up. Task dev front end. Ooh. There's beat doing its thing. No, wrong one. Local host 8090. 8090. Bing. Control Shift I that shit. Yes, sure. We got liftoff. Let's do a Control Shift R. Localhost 200, 200, 200. It's got our TypeScript from Beat. Oh, 30. Coming at your ass like a sorceress. Ooh. Some good logs. from good logs. All right, so uh, yeah. What the fuck was I doing? Oh, we're gonna go check a bug bot was running, but let's first see if we can sign up. Uh, I remember now. I was having a hard time with the migrate fucking script or task, whatever. Task migrate. PD down. Ooh. Nope. And it's saying failed to open. Where's it getting this? Where's it getting this? What are we missing? The driver? Well, I'm gonna have to ask you, fucking cursor, what gives attach that motherfucker. Looking at the task, well, I've changed the PostgreSQL connection URL from Postgres to PostgreSQL. This is the correct. I'll be the judge of that. Ha. Motherfucker. Trying to make shit up. Dash I go to mod, see if it gets a hint from the version of shit we're running. Wayne's World, Planet Rock. Go install tags Postgres. Yeah, that looks right. Are you sure? Fucking right, I'm sure. All down. Good stuff. I don't remember what it did. What did it do? It installed Postgres driver for Golang or Go migrate. Golang migrate, whatever the fuck it's called. Bingo, bongo, boingo. Up, 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 up. There we go. Create our database tables. Whoop. Still in business. Got a clean database. Sign up. Our fucking super secure test password. rg.com. Sign up. Alright. No error. Anyway, not out here. There Sign up successful. Good stuff. Good stuff, buddy. Just stick right here, man. Hour. No way. On to the next one. Woo woo. Alright, log in. We're logged in. We're logged in. Create new form. So this is where we would name it. Create. And we get an error. I guess this is how far we are with the Postgres. I wish the form builder was there, but anyway. Check in if there's anything to check in. Double logs. What gives? Whoa. Some big fucking stack traces. Don't really need all of that, homie. Let's see what it says. Let's see if it detects an error and all that mess. Bitch! This motherfucker don't miss. I just accept that. I ain't fucking look at anything. What did it do? I've updated the Grady's ID. Instead of UUID in the where clause. This matches the Gorm model. Definition where we have string JSON ID. Column UUID. Okay. Okay. I trust you. I trust you know what you're talking about. Oops. Let's log in. Fucking hell. So that form is in the database now. And I don't know if it's in healthy form, but it is. Okay. Fuck this. Like, come on, man. Look at this shit. Oi. Oi. See the stock traces? Traces? Man, I don't even know if it said traces. Oi. Oi, 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 oi. Whoa. Let me also check the form service implementation. What you looking at? Fuck to do with context. It looks the same from what I can see. What'd you do, man? I see. I see. Is that right? I don't know. You think I know how to code? I just said, see those stack traces? I didn't actually tell them. My bad. My bad. Um, chop down the stack traces. They're long, man. I want you to modify the logger to uh, be less verbose when providing stack traces. Something like that. I'll help you modify the logger. I see the issue. The logger is configured to show stack something, something, something. Ooh. Yo, what's up, son? Cream, get the money. Add stack trace up core error level. Error level, eh? Let's see then. Let's see. Pretty fucking long to me. Thought I was clear. I didn't say there was too many stack traces altogether. Each motherfucker is too long. What am I looking at? It looks stupid. What's it is? Rapcore. Yeah, you better fucking wipe that out. Development. Okay. More concise logging, eh? We'll see. We'll see. They keep calling me. Fuck, it's longer than ever, homeboy. Moves away into another day. Reality. Notice that the stack traces are still quite verbose, showing many middleware something. A node field encode stack trace. Rapcore. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, what did it do now? Back to development, eh? So what the fudge you change? Okay, hold on here. Tick. Let's see what it did. What it doing here? With context, that's where it changed the user ID. No. From UUID to ID. Okay. Whatever. We'll keep that then if that's what it claims is cool. At stack trace, this app development. Okay, this is a repeat of what it did the last time. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, I'm gonna check it in. I don't know if I can freshen up this context over here. Beat it. Fucking beat it. Make some buffer. Make some room. Okay. What's going on? Still huge traces. What is the error? Fuck the stack trace for the moment. No. Maybe. Maybe. No. Okay, we'll say verify. The database stream is fully set up. Fuck it. See what it goes. No, Docker, homeboy. Docker, Docker, Docker. Come on, you gotta know you're in a dev container. There you go. Go for it. User ID. Let me change that fucking user ID to a video ID as well. Not right now. Check any forms in the database. Was there? Yes. Yes, the one I said. Don't know if it's any good. Or the code good, code not. Form good, form not. You do enough poking around, man? Fuck. This fucking guy. Let me fix this. I found the issue in a get by user ID method. Good for you. Was using user ID with a capital U as the column name, but the database schema, the column is named user, and that's what it was to fucking begin with them. pretty fucking sure. Before one of the previous fucking 10 edits. We'll see. we will see. See? Yes, sort of. We gotta see. Gotta see. Let's wait and see. Logan. Fucking hell. Failed to get user forms. How very uninformative. It's a big fucking stack trace though. Give me that. Database error while getting user forms. Yes. We know this. History. Login attempt. Gorm query. User authenticated. Okay, where's the fucking query? Where's the fucking query? Gorm? Query. Debug. Query. Warm login. Really? I gotta see this. Warm documentation. Gorm guides. Okay. Connecting to database. Postgres. EDS. Database filter enables prepared statement cache by default to disable it. What? Copy. I tell you, cursor. I tell you. You fucking know I am. He's in more production than me. We will see. Logger. Gorm is a default logger implementation. Customized logger. New logger. Silent error warning. Oh, default listening operation. You should have gone with default logger. Yes, please. Fucking hot. Still see fucking air quick. Motherfucker. Notice. Ouch. I apologize for the confusion. Yes, you better. You better figure it out. Fucking change that user ID thing again. See? Motherfucker. You keep going in circles. Man. Oh, I yiked it. Uh-oh. Oh, yes, that's what I was to attach. Gorm. Documentation. Fuck, I didn't do it. Gorm. There. There. No. Problem is that we're using user ID query the model we're using the field name instead. Back to the fucking user ID. Big one. Now. Fucking back. I thought I was looking at fresh fucking changes, but it was the previous response. That's different. TX player model the form. Using the type. the fuck? We need details. Why? Check our logging. What? Internal infrastructure logging. Yes, go. Excuse me. Can have not go.